tiny tots, tiny tots. Little duck waddles by the pond, tiny yellow feet so fond. Splashing water, flap, flap wings, morning sunshine softly sings. Quack, quack, swish, swish, hop around, happy little ducklings found. Dancing circles in the rain, then they wiggle back again. One duck twirls beside a tree, another sails so wild and free. Tiny bubbles, muddy toes, where the giggly river flows. Mama duck says line up tight, baby ducks march left and right. Under clouds so big and blue, every duck shouts quack to you. When the moon begins to glow, sleepy ducklings travel slow. Snuggle softly, close their eyes, dreaming stars up in the skies. Quack, quack, swish, swish, hop